Back on the ice, baby. Here we go. New ice, 1 gill in the bucket, and out here with my good friends Elliot and Carter. Hi. You might have heard that. Elliot overslept, otherwise we probably would have had 10 fish in a bucket, but what are friends for?
Railroaded on national television.
We've got the line up. And we're going to catch them. It's only a matter of time we found a hump and some structure. And I feel pretty confident. So. Fish on, baby.
Fish on?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. Blue gill.
Ooh, big old blue. Big old blue. Big old blueser. Ah, I missed one.
Oh, look at that. That's sick. Ooh, that's a big gill. Look at that.
Hooked up. Little gill.
That one coming. That makes sense.
There's a lot of them. They just
Yeah, he's coming up to you now. Come on, eat. He's right under it, isn't he? Now I got one coming to me.
Yeah, you'd really do.
Come on. Now he's on it. Eat it. Eat it. What are you waiting for? It's a free snack.
He's right on you.
It's a decent mark.
Ooh, look at that one coming in.
Oh, streaking in hard. Eat it. 2 of them. 3 of them. Gosh. I should get the camera set up here. I want to know what. Like, I'd love to pop the camera.
Oh my gosh,
down
look
and
at
see
there
a
comes
crappie.
another one.
On the left. That one's swimming away now. I know it's backwards, but. Yeah, there's a nice little dip here in there. Little basin. Oh, look at this fish coming in. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
That's to you. 2 of them. It's separated. Coming in hot, dude. Come on. Here he comes, right to you. Come on. Right on you. I got a fish on me.
Oh, dude, that's decent. That's minnow. Look at, you can see it.
He's off.
Oh, dude. See him? Look at that, Sam. Oh,
Yep.
did you see that?
Yeah, that was on the minnow. Look at that mark. That was fun. He barely ate, though. I was like, wait a second. I better check. Please be a walleye. Yes. Oh, he's charging. Please be a Walter. Oh, gosh.
So the gills you were catching,
Oh, he spooked.
they
You
were
see that?
bigger than that?
Holy shit.
Huh?
We caught a couple that were
Like
Palm Beach. They were nice. Look at him.
Ooh, look at this. Look at this
I know,
guy
you got
coming to
two,
me.
You got 2 on you. He's gonna eat. Look at that one cruising down above me. Look at it.
Look at this one on the left coming to me.
I know. That's what, oh, he's charging you hard. He's gonna eat. Oh yeah. That was awesome.
This is a different fish. Well, 5 big gills in the bucket. Time to move. I think it's a run and gun strategy maybe from here on out. We found structure, caught some fish, moved, found a break, caught some fish, and now we're gonna head to some big rock piles. Apparently, some guys I'm with have caught big fish over there before, so we'll see. Get some on vid. Panoptics or die. Let's go. That's where you're setting up, right there, huh?
This is right where you can see our holes that we drilled last time.
Show me the way, good captain. Just so you know, you're standing right on a tree right there.
Elliot, what do you think? We weren't this far over, were we? I mean,
Yeah,
were we this far out?
I think.
Hook up. That's a better one. Gills are on the dinner plate. Let's go. Wrapping her up. It's a good day. Keeper gills, got some. These guys, we tried real hard, but.
Yeah, but we suck. Don't subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, buddy.